Hi, I'm Rob Tarkoff, Executive Vice President, General Manager of the Advertising Customer Experience business here at Oracle. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you how we're continuously evolving our advertising and CX application suite to keep pace with changing customer expectations. We're evolving rapidly because we recognize that the future of customer experience has arrived, and it demands a commitment to make all front office employees at our enterprise clients the most productive, agile, and successful they can be. Their job is to serve their end users and consumers with experiences that delight them, deepen their loyalty, and anticipate their needs. To do this, you need to use data and technology to unify the back office with the front office, to serve up an end-to-end customer experience where traditional silos between marketing, sales, advertising, and service simply no longer cut it. Here at Oracle, we're adopting our own technology to secure a competitive advantage and cost savings across our entire business. And in doing so, we capture hundreds of our own implementation stories and our best practices to share with our customers. We call this Oracle at Oracle. It makes sense that we ensure our solutions work for Oracle first. We're a $40 billion company with more than 130,000 employees, serving over 400,000 customers across 175 countries. With a footprint that large comes a responsibility to truly unify our data and orchestrate a smooth customer journey that drives delight, both for our end users and for the Oracle employees who use our tools. So let me tell you a little bit about how we're doing that. In marketing, we are using personalized end-to-end automation to make our B2B and our B2C outreach more targeted, and in the process generate significantly higher returns. We're benefiting from faster campaign execution and more qualified lead generation than ever before. In fact, we've seen an over 30% increase in opportunity size since using this approach. In advertising, we're optimizing media spend by reaching the right audience in a brand safe and effective way using our measurement and brand safety suite. We're also building first-party campaign tools to ensure a smooth transition from cookie-based identifiers to this next generation of first-party consented IDs. In sales, we're enabling business growth by guiding sellers through a prescriptive choreography. What's the result? Significantly improved speed and efficiency. In fact, we're saving every sales rep 10 hours per week, and we've improved their cycle time by 75% by using machine learning to help guide a seller through their tasks and achieve the best outcomes possible. In service, we're increasing our support efficiencies and improving customer satisfaction by putting machine learning into the digital service flows, intelligently routing our customers to the right location to get the answers and expert advice that they need. As a result, we've achieved a 95% decrease in IT support requests. By using our own advertising and customer experience applications to unify our data and connect our touch points, we're giving all our teams here at Oracle a richer view of the customer. We're on a journey to make every interaction matter, and we're making that happen here on the Oracle Cloud. I hope you will join us. Thank you.